Good morning students. Today we will be doing question number 6 to 8 and the worksheet. So here Mehak filled a bottle with 150 ml of milk but her baby spilled मतलब फैलाना या गिराना half of the milk. What quantity of the milk did the baby spill? So now what is the quantity that the baby spilled? कितना उससे गिर गया? So half means if you people know that it is half means that you have to divide it by 2, right? So here 150 we will divide by 2, that is done here. 150 15 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will write 14, and 14 come in the table of 2, it's 7. 15 minus 14 is equals to 1. 0 we will bring down. 10 come in the table of 2 at 5, so we have subtracted from 10, the answer is 0. So it means that the quantity that the baby spill is 75 ml. What quantity of milk was left in the bottle? So if you will subtract 150 ml minus 75 ml, you will get 75 ml, as half of the milk is spilled and half of the milk is left in the bottle. So 75 ml will be the answer. The 2-liter milk bottle shown below can fill 4 small bottles of equal capacity. So 2 liters of milk that can fill 4 small bottles completely. So 2 liter is equal to 200 ml, and 2000 ml, that is divided into 4 bottles. So 2000 we have to divide it with 4. Okay, 4 bottles में milk डाला है, so 4 we will divide 2000 we will divide with 4. So 20 we will write down. 20 come in the table of 4 at 5, and these 0 we will bring down and we will write it here also. So it means 500 milliliter of water will come in each bottle. Now this one is quite an interesting and easy question. Fill in the blanks with correct option. One is already done for you. The distance between two houses in the neighbor is 10. It will be liters, gram, length you measure in, distance you measure in, meters, kilometers. Okay, so we will write meters. Raj buy 3 dash onion for the vegetable vendors. Okay, so we will, gram is used for very small objects, and here kilograms and then millimeters. I have already told you that vegetable we measure in kilograms, so we will write kilogram. Millimeter is used for length. A municipal water tanker supplies 7,000 of water every day to a colony. So 7,000 milliliter is used for very small quantity of liquid. Gram we used for weight, but liter, so we will write liters here, right? Liters, kilograms, like this. The teacher asked us to draw a line of length 7 dash in the notebook. You have centimeters in your scale, so it means centimeter will be answer. Meter is used for very like long distances, and kilometer is very used for very long distances. Harleen buy 20 dash cloth from a shop. So millimeter is very small, as you have seen in the scale also, this much only. Gram we use for weight, and meter we will write it here, so meter is the answer. Chetan buys a mineral water bottle of capacity 2 milliliter, small cup of medicine, so 1 liter, it will be 1 liter. Meter is used for distance, right? So now today also we will be doing this worksheet. Unfortunately that I won't be able to take your online class, so please do it in the book, your work. This one is your 15th worksheet. Okay, so now which unit, centimeter, meter or kilometer, will you use to measure the following length? The length of your notebook, that is the length of your notebook is measured in centimeter. Okay, you can measure your length of the notebook by the help of scale, and in scale we are having centimeters. Length of the carpet we can be in meters. Okay, answer the following question. A girl is 1 meter tall. What is her height in centimeter? As you people already know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So we will write, it means that it will be in 100 centimeters. A shawl is 2 meter long. So what will be the length in 1 centimeters? If 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, so 2 meter is equals to 2 multiplied by 100 centimeters. So that is equals to 200 centimeters. 200, 2 on the 2, and these 2 0 we will put it afterwards. The height of the two pillars are 7 meter and 30 centimeter and 6 meter 45 centimeter. What is the difference between their height in centimeters? As you people all know, difference means subtraction. So we know that 7 meter 30 centimeter for 6 meter 45 centimeter will be subtracted from 7 meter 30 centimeter, so that we can find out the difference between the heights of the pole pillars. So we will subtract. Here you will write 0 minus 5 is not possible, we will take carry. 10 minus 5 is 5, and we will take then what we will do, so here 12 85, 12 minus 4 is 8, so it means 6 minus 6 is 0. We have taken carry from here, so it will be 85 centimeter will be the answer, right? This question I have given you homework. You have to draw a line of 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter 2 millimeter with the help of scale. Here only you can draw. Arrange the in book. If you think that space is less, you can draw it here also. You can draw one line here, you can draw one line here. Arrange the following length in ascending order: 15 meters, 7 kilometers, 1800 centimeters. Okay, so here 1800, 15 meters I am changing into same units. So kilometers we can change into meters, that is 7 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 7000 meters. And centimeters we can change into meters by dividing it with 100. If you remember, we have done questions like this. So 0 will be cut with 0, so it will become 18 meters. Now you can see 7000 meter is biggest one. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So 15 meter is the smallest one, then 18 meters, 1800 meters centimeters, and then 7 kilometers we can write it in the last. Okay, now read the story and answer the following question. I am Bravo. I weigh around 45 kg. My mother weight is 40 kg more than me. So 45 kg is the weight of Bravo and the mother is 40 kg more than him. So what is the mother's weight? So we have to add. So 45 plus 40, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. So we can say that 85 is the answer. Okay, 85 kg. Last year my weight was 20 kg less than my weight now. What is my weight last year? So 20 kg less than last year is that 45 minus 20, and then you will get the answer. And I have given you homework in book, you can write the answer. Next one is, look at the jars filled with water. Which jar contain the least quantity of water? Least means सबसे कम, minimum amount of water. As you can see, we have 250 ml of water, 100 ml of water, 1 liter, 500. So this least amount of water is in jar B, and by picture also you can see that this is having very less water. So jar B, how much water does it contain? So it is having 100 ml of water. Which jar contain the most quantity of water? सबसे ज़्यादा पानी किसमें है? As you can see here, so jar C, and the water is 1 liter. Which jar contains half of the quantity of jar B? Jar B is jar C, sorry, 1 liter. Half of 1 liter is 500 ml. So that's why I've written jar D, because how much water is there? So 1000 ml minus 500. Same answer we will get, that is 500 ml. So 500 ml is the water that it is having. Okay, so by this we have completed our chapter, and on Saturday I will take the test of this chapter. Okay students, bye bye.